Le temps sur la route est convenable malgré quelques petites turbulences et beau à l'arrivée à La Réunion avec une température.
The Light Aircraft Dynamics Flight Control Simulator came about through a STEM program that I participate in, and it's part of the Stratus Aviation Foundation, which used to be located at Wings Field in Bluebell, and just recently has moved to Brandywine Airport. And the Stratus Aviation Foundation had acquired a cockpit from an SR-22, which is a Cirrus aircraft. And they were looking for ways to turn it into a flight simulator, and they weren't quite sure to take on that large task that they had at hand. So I decided I was going to prepare a proposal and turn it into a senior design project for Temple University. I'm an alumni of Temple, and I'm an adjunct professor at Temple, and I think I could turn this into a senior design project since I've participated in senior design projects before as an advisor. The goal at the end of this is to be able to bring the fully configured simulator back to the Stratus Aviation Foundation. Since it's on loan to Temple through our project, it goes back to them when it's fully done. And the students there will be able to use this particular simulator on an everyday basis as an FAA compliant Cirrus SR-22 simulator to learn to fly. In the future, we're going to be looking to acquire other types of aircraft cockpits to work with this project, as well as some research type topics that deal with machine learning and artificial intelligence aspects of being able to have an aircraft fly autonomously in the event that there's an emergency and the pilot needs to do some landing approaches. So we're going to be doing some modeling and simulation on some areas of this effort in the future once we deliver the flight simulator to the Stratus Aviation Foundation.
So the goal of this project is to create a fully functioning simulator with 6 degrees of freedom that actually incorporates a former Cirrus SR-22 plane cockpit. This sets it apart from a lot of other simulators because most simulators, first of all, are static simulators and don't incorporate actual planes. So this one is going to be a lot more realistic than just about any simulator you would buy on the market. I'm currently working on the Stewart platform, which is the part of the project that will allow the cockpit to have 6 degrees of freedom. Currently, we're working on coding a smaller prototype platform, and eventually this will be turned into a large full-scale platform that can support about 1,000 pounds.
Right now, I'm trying to help Sam construct the electrical aspects of the servos. So what we're going to do is we're designing a schematic that's going to include the circuitry behind the scenes. It's going to be inside the cockpit that's connected to the X-Plane software and then the servos. A lot of us we're kind of pigeonholed into certain aspects of engineering, whether it be mechanical or electrical. What's great about this project is we get to work together and kind of collaborate on different aspects of the process, of the design process, whether it be coding, whether it be the physics of the platform. All of us working together has really helped open my eyes to different aspects of engineering.
So ultimately, I think this project will be the gateway to creating a whole line of dynamic flight simulators to go inside former aircraft planes. This type of simulator is just far beyond any simulator that people buy, and it comes with a price, but I think doing the work now and putting all this time into this one simulator will allow many down the road to be made, and everyday people will be able to afford them.